Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Podcast channel. I'm your host, Ivanka, and I'm so excited you're here with me today for another helpful and practical episode to support your English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a really important topic. How can you memorize English words effectively? Whether you're just starting out or trying to expand your vocabulary, this episode is packed with useful tools, simple strategies, and fun techniques that will make learning new words easier and more enjoyable. Let's start with why vocabulary is important. Vocabulary is like the foundation of a building. Without enough words, it's hard to express your ideas, understand others, or enjoy English books, movies, or conversations. The more words you know, the more confident you become. It helps you speak more clearly, write better, and understand English when you hear it. Now, let's talk about the challenges many learners face when trying to memorize new words. Target number 1, forgetting words quickly. You might learn a new word today, but by tomorrow it's gone. That's frustrating. Target number 2, struggling to use words in context. You may understand a word, but when you try to use it in a sentence, your mind goes blank. Target number 3, lack of practice. If you don't use or review new words often, they fade from memory. It's like trying to remember a phone number you never call. Target number 4, pronunciation issues. Some learners avoid using a word because they're not sure how to say it correctly. Target number 5, learning too many words at once. Trying to memorize long word lists can be overwhelming and confusing, especially with similar sounding words like affect and effect. Target number 6, boredom. If learning isn't fun, it's easy to lose motivation. But don't worry. If you faced any of these challenges, you're not alone. And better yet, there are solutions for all of them. And that's what we'll explore next.
Let's now explore some easy and fun ways to memorize and remember English words. Flashcards, one of the best tools. Write the word on one side and the meaning or a sentence on the other. You can even use apps like Quizlet or Anki to make digital flashcards. Add pictures. Using visuals can help you remember better. For example, if you're learning the word apple, include a picture of an apple. Learn in context. Don't just memorize single words, use them in a sentence. For example, run. I run every morning to stay healthy. This helps you understand how words are used in real situations. Read and listen to English. Watch shows, read articles, listen to podcasts. You'll hear new words naturally and remember how they're used. Spaced repetition. Review words over time, like after 1 day, then 3 days, then a week. This helps move words into long-term memory. Keep a vocabulary journal. Write down new words, their meanings, and example sentences. Review it often. Make stories with new words. Make silly or fun stories using new vocabulary. For example, giant. A giant is reading a book about small animals. Silly stories are easier to remember. Practice pronunciation. Use apps or Google Translate to hear how the word is said, then repeat it aloud. This builds confidence. Label things around you. Stick notes on things in your house. For example, mirror, on your mirror, door, on your door. You'll see the word every day and remember it easily. Combine methods. Mix flashcards, reading, and writing short stories. The more fun it is, the more you'll remember. Activity time! Let's try it together. I'll say a word, and you think of its meaning and use it in a sentence. Ready? Word 1. Happy. What does it mean? Use it in a sentence. Example. I feel happy when I eat ice cream. Word 2. Run. Run means to move fast on foot. Example. I run every day in the morning. Word 3. Giant. A giant is something very large. Example. There's a giant rock near my house. Nice work! You can do this activity every day to improve your memory and fluency. Now that you know the best tips and tried a fun activity, let's talk about how to use these ideas every day. Create a daily routine. Choose 5 new words each day and write them in your notebook. Write the meaning and use each in a sentence. Use the words in conversation. Try using the new words when talking with friends, writing a message, or even talking to yourself. Shadowing. Listen to English speakers and repeat what they say. Try to include your new vocabulary words. It's a great way to sound more natural. Use apps. Apps like Duolingo, Memrise, or BBC Learning English offer vocabulary practice in a fun and easy way. Write daily. Keep a simple journal in English. Write about your day using your new words. Writing helps you remember and understand better. Find a language buddy. If you can, join online groups or forums to practice with others. You'll feel more motivated when you learn together. Record yourself. Practice saying the new words and record your voice. Then listen to check your pronunciation. This builds both memory and confidence. Final thoughts. Learning vocabulary doesn't have to be boring. The secret is, learn a few words each day. Use them in real sentences. Review often, and most importantly, have fun with it. Every small step counts. Don't wait for perfection. Focus on progress. Before we end, what's your favorite way to memorize English words? Share with us in the comments or message us directly. We'd love to include your ideas in future episodes. And don't forget to subscribe to the English Podcast channel, share this episode with your friends, and come back for more fun, useful, and easy English learning. Try this today. Choose 5 new English words, write them down, make a sentence for each, and use them in your conversations or journal. You've got this! Thanks for joining me,
and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now, and happy learning!